This is a production of Cornell University.
Welcome to Cornell University's online Cornell Garden-Based Learning courses. We are thrilled about your interest in one or more of our courses. Please take a few moments to watch this video, which outlines several important details. These courses are designed for adult learners who wish to expand their knowledge of the topic, often for their own enrichment. As with most online or autonomous learning situations, students typically get out what they put into the course. The courses are non-accredited and are designed for non-matriculated students, so you do not have to be enrolled at Cornell University, and the course does not count towards college credit. We find that the most successful students are those who are intrinsically motivated to complete readings and assignments, to devote considerable time to coursework, and to communicate with your classmates freely and often in an effort to get the most from this course. We welcome participants from around the world and find that international students add a unique perspective to the course environment. Each course is catered toward a different skill level. Please review the course syllabus for the course you are interested in to learn about the target audience for that specific course. For example, organic gardening is designed for beginners, while Botanical Illustration 3, Advanced Techniques, is designed for those with greater mastery of the subject area. The courses are fully online, and students should have a basic knowledge of how to use a computer and have an openness around learning the technology. It is not necessary to have previous experience with taking online courses. Students will have access to the course interface for the time frame of the course. Much like a traditional classroom in which, once you leave the room and the course is over, when this course is finished, you are responsible for keeping any records you wish, since the course is cleared or reset for the next group of participants. Students who complete all assignments will receive a certificate of completion at the conclusion of the course. Though specific supplies will vary for each course, students must have a computer with high-speed internet access. Some courses also require a device for scanning particular assignment submissions. Please listen carefully to our refund policy. If you choose to withdraw any time prior to the end of the introductory period before the start of Lesson 1, you can receive a refund minus a $150 processing fee. This fee applies to each course dropped. Once Week 1 has begun, we are unable to provide you with a refund. Given that this course demands a significant amount of time, attention, and energy over an extended period of time, it is important to take steps in advance of the program to ensure that you have the necessary support structures in place. The estimated time commitment varies for each online course. Please review the course syllabus for the course you are interested in to learn about the estimated hours per week. Most courses are 6 to 8 weeks and offer a blend of online and hands-on learning. Each week's lessons will contain a combination of selected readings, activities to carry out at home, reflective writing, student discussion forum prompts, and optional additional readings, activities, and resources. Students submit their weekly assignments before the stated deadline, and the instructor provides timely feedback. Though the class is not live, participants are expected to keep up with the weekly assignments and discussions. Because the weekly topics build on each other, skipping a topic one week will cause some confusion. It is a requirement to engage in at least a full page of reflective writing weekly. While some students initially balk at this, most appreciate how, with time, the reflection helps to deepen their course experience. As John Dewey so famously said, we do not just learn from our experience, but we learn from reflecting on it. The Student Discussion Forum is a way to share resources and get to know one another. Although sharing your work with others is not required, some students also appreciate the chance to offer their work for celebration and feedback from others. Open dialogue is encouraged between the instructor and students. Students are encouraged to contact their course instructor with any questions. Some courses have an introductory period before the beginning of Week 1. This is a time for students to gain access, become familiar with the course interface, and practice doing a few simple tasks such as posting an introduction in the student discussion forum. Successful students take time during the introductory period to carefully read all course materials and become familiar with the nuances of the course offering. If you are taking drawing, watercolor, or the Advanced Techniques Botanical Illustration course, it is much better to spend a shorter period of time each day on your assignments than to power through in occasionally 4 or 5 hour chunks of time. You will want to devote at least 12 to 15 hours per week, and with increasing hours, you will gain more proficiency. You'll grow much more in skill with more sessions, and in addition, stay on top of the assignments. Though the assignments are not difficult, in fact, they can be enjoyable and relaxing, there are many of them. It is important to keep your expectations modest. These are just 6-week courses, and remember the 10,000 hours rule of thumb. It takes a long time to gain mastery. If you have additional questions, please review our Frequently Asked Questions page. If you are unable to find an answer there, then please email the relevant point of contact for the course in question. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in one of our future course offerings.
This has been a production of Cornell University, on the web at cornell.edu.